Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a recovery plan for your Ton wallet. Setting up a recovery plan for your Ton wallet is crucial for protecting your assets in case of loss or device failure. First step is that to back up your seed phrases, which is a recovery phrase. During wallet creation, you will be provided with seed phrases, which is typically of 12 to 24 words. This is most important part of your recovery plan. Write down the seed phrase on paper or store it in a secure offline location. Avoid saving it digitally on devices. You can find this phrase in the Settings tab here. Click on the Backup tab and here you will find your recovery phrase. You can also store your seed phrase in multiple locations. To protect against physical damage or loss, store copy of your seed phrase in multiple secure locations. You can also split the phrase between locations for additional security. If you prefer digital storage, you can use a trusted and secure password manager to encrypt and store your seed phrase. If your Ton wallet supports it, enable two-factor authentication for additional security. You can also review your recovery plan regularly. If you change device or update your wallet software, ensure the new wallet version is backed up properly. Periodically, you can test the recovery process by importing your wallet using the seed phrase on a device. This ensures your backup is functioning properly. By following these steps, you can set up a comprehensive recovery plan to protect your Ton wallet in case of any unforeseen events. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.